Welcome to our channel. If you are a car enthusiast or just someone who loves keeping their vehicle in pristine condition, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the top 5 best car blowers of 2024. These powerful tools not only make drying your car a breeze, but also help you achieve that showroom shine effortlessly. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. High-Speed Car Violent Air Blower. The High-Speed Car Violent Air Blower is not your ordinary air blower. With a revolutionary design featuring a high-speed 64mm brushless motor and an impressive 12-blade fan assembly, it delivers remarkable dust-cleaning capabilities. What is even more impressive is its thrust force, which can reach up to 1,400 grams. This means it can effectively blow away dust and debris with ease. One of the standout features of this air blower is its versatility. It is designed for a multitude of uses, including snow removal, air mattress inflation, rapid cooling, and dusting off surfaces. It is also perfect for detailed cleaning tasks. Whether you need to maintain your computer keyboard, wash your vehicle or motorcycle, collect water in car washes, clean crevices, or remove crumbs from mats, this blower serves as an all-in-one solution for both home and commercial use. Powering this incredible device is a high-performance 8,000 mAh battery composed of 8 2,170,000 cells. This robust combination ensures a powerful airflow that can move objects weighing up to 1,400 grams from a distance of 10 centimeters. Operating the high-speed car Violent Air Blower is a breeze, thanks to its intelligent control features. It includes a smart temperature control system and stepless speed regulation. Adjusting the speed is effortless with the innovative press-sensitive buttons, and you will appreciate the convenience of the key unlock feature, allowing you to power the device on and off with a simple plug-in action. Number 4. SEVENMOONS Car Dryer Violent Air Blower. The SEVENMOONS Car Dryer Violent Air Blower is designed for high-performance cleaning, reaching up to 50,000 revolutions per minute with its 64mm turbofan motor. This impressive design delivers thrust levels of 1.2 kilograms to 1.6 kilograms, making it ideal for car drying, snow removal, and even leaf blowing. This air blower is not just for your vehicle. It features a bright LED light, making it perfect for cleaning dark corners, car seats, and computer keyboards. Additionally, it can inflate beds and lifeboats and is incredibly handy for picnics or removing pet hair from surfaces. The SEVENMOONS Car Dryer Violent Air Blower is powered by a rechargeable and cordless design, featuring a 3,000 mAh to 4,000 mAh battery. This makes it reusable, allowing you to clean efficiently and sustainably. One of the standout features of this air blower is its 4-speed control. You can easily adjust the speed settings to 20%, 50%, 100%, or even 130%, allowing for versatile applications across different tasks. Durability is key, and the SEVENMOONS Car Dryer Violent Air Blower is constructed from high-quality, high-temperature resistant materials. This ensures long-lasting use and comfortable handling, even during extended cleaning sessions. With a compact and portable design, weighing approximately 600 grams, this blower includes bright LED lighting for excellent visibility. Its powerful turbofan motor and extensive battery life of about 30 minutes allow for comprehensive cleaning in various scenarios, whether at home, in your office, or outdoors. Number 3. ANENG Car Violent Blower Dryer. The ANENG Car Violent Blower Dryer boasts a striking appearance with a perfect diamond cutting effect, ensuring a visually appealing look. Its aerodynamic layout is inspired by supercars, featuring auxiliary grills on both sides for smooth airflow. Constructed from carbon fiber composite material, the ANENG Car Violent Blower Dryer is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 400 grams. Its high-temperature resistant shell minimizes heat generation, making it easy to carry and comfortable to grip. This ensures a more convenient and long-lasting user experience. Equipped with a 64mm high-speed brushless motor fan set, this blower delivers remarkable dust removal capabilities. With a scientific culvert design, it achieves an impressive thrust of 1,400 grams and a wind speed of 240 kilometers per hour. The high-performance battery has a large capacity of 59,200 milliampere hours, allowing for super-fast charging. Safety is paramount, and the ANENG Violent Blower Dryer comes with multiple protection features. It includes dual over-temperature protection, current protection, and short-circuit protection. Coupled with an active cooling system, this ensures that the blower is both excellent and reliable during use. This blower is incredibly versatile, perfect for a wide range of tasks, including snow cleaning, air cushion inflation, yard cleaning, and industrial dust removal. It is also ideal for cleaning computer keyboards, vehicles, and motorcycles, as well as for collecting water and removing debris from footmats. The ANENG Violent Blower Dryer delivers a maximum wind speed at full charge, providing a battery life of approximately 15 minutes. It features multiple charging interfaces, including direct current and Type-C, giving you versatile charging options for convenience. Number 2. Isfriday Handheld Violent Fan. The Isfriday Handheld Violent Fan is equipped with an impressive 8,000 mAh battery and a robust turbojet fan. With a maximum speed exceeding 140,000 revolutions per minute and a thrust of 1,500 grams, this fan is designed for powerful airflow. This product comes in 2 versions to cater to your needs. The first version utilizes a Type-C interface, supporting power delivery of 100 watts for fast charging and even functions as a power bank to charge your laptop. The second version features a DC 5521 interface, supporting up to 84 watts of charging. This flexibility ensures you can always stay powered up. The Isfriday Handheld Violent Fan operates at a maximum working voltage of 16.8 volts and a maximum working current of 60 amperes, delivering a maximum power output of 1,008 watts. It also supports stepless speed regulation, allowing you to adjust the airflow to your preference. With this fan, you can expect about 2 hours of working time. However, the duration varies depending on the gear you use. On the highest setting, the fan lasts approximately 10 minutes, while the lowest setting can sustain airflow for up to 3 hours, providing you with options for various tasks. The Isfriday Handheld Violent Fan is perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you need to cool down quickly during a hot day, dry surfaces, or even clear dust from electronic devices, this fan has you covered. The Isfriday Handheld Violent Fan is a powerful, versatile, and innovative tool that provides outstanding performance and convenience. Number 1. ANENG Superstrong Violent Blower. The ANENG Superstrong Violent Blower is equipped with a high-speed 90mm brushless motor and a 12-blade fan assembly. This innovative design delivers an instantaneous thrust of up to 5,000 grams and achieves wind speeds of 230 meters per second, making it ideal for everything from snow cleaning to industrial dust removal. This blower features a second-generation appearance with a rational structure that enhances performance. Its ergonomic handheld grip is designed for comfort, allowing you to operate the device without fatigue. The stepless speed control throttle button provides an adjustable wind speed from 100% to 0%, giving you precise control over airflow. The ANENG Superstrong Violent Blower utilizes an external battery-powered structure, allowing for unlimited endurance. It supports a voltage range of 16.8 to 25.2 volts and has a maximum power output of 3,000 watts. The device also features a battery capacity greater than 6,000 milliampere hours and a discharge rate exceeding 50 times the capacity, ensuring consistent performance. This blower is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a variety of applications. You can use it for air cushion inflation, rapid cooling, car and motorcycle cleaning, dust removal, and even for cleaning debris from foot mats. Its powerful performance covers both home and commercial outdoor needs. Some key advantages of the ANENG Superstrong Violent Blower include its strong wind output, ducted fan design, and the impressive 5,000 grams of thrust, which is 50 times more than a standard fan. The product also features a Level 4 battery display, allowing you to keep track of your battery life effortlessly. The ANENG Superstrong Violent Blower is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that makes cleaning tasks quick and efficient. There you have it, our top 5 best car blowers for 2024. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, ensuring that your car looks its best after every wash. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for latest reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.